Video. You're on.
Look at now, it's tied up on his foot too.
Bring it in.
I can't believe he bit your lure. I mean, tried to eat your lure. I don't know if he could grab it by the neck and undo the lure.
The line's tangled up on his foot too. Is there a hook on his? One of the hooks is in his foot.
Do you have the gloves?
Oh yeah.
Oh. You should be doing this, not me.
Well, I was just gonna cut the line.
Yeah, but if you can get the hook out of its mouth, he'll be okay.
Okay, buddy, we're gonna try to save you. Don't panic. He just shit his pants.
I don't think he's wearing pants.
Grab this leg. Stop biting. Stop biting.
Yeah, see, that's the problem. That hook's really in there, isn't it?
Damn. Fuck. These waves aren't helping anything. Man, these fucking waves.
Yeah.
Give me the pliers.
You think fish skin's tough?
Ah, come on, man. Come on.
It's hard to get the hook where you
Damn.
want.
These waves are not helping.
I think he knows you're trying to help him now. Almost.
Yeah, then what is about his beak? I got a good idea. Cut the barb off. Damn waves. Come on, man. Come on.
He's blinking.
I don't know what to do with it. I don't know what to do. That hook is all the way through it.
Can you cut the hook? Do we have a wire cutters? He probably can't eat with that. It's still gonna kill him. Let's try to push it out toward the front, I guess.
I can't. It's hooked in the top and the bottom.
If we could cut that, he wouldn't be able to eat.
I don't know what to do. Hold on. Maybe this way.
Yeah. Almost. Man, it's like through the hard bill, isn't it? There's no wire.
Good job.
No, it's not loose.
Oh, he's not loose?
No.
Don't get it stuck in your foot again, man. Come on. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Oh, it's almost out. It's a. Oh,
It ate the perch. It was in its belly.
what perch?
There must have been a perch hook to it.
Oh, that's what happened. Huh? He threw up. It's almost out. You got the pliers? Because his
Where are
upper
they?
upper mouth is.
I just put them in here, I think. Or did I put them in my pocket?
Keep tension on it so it doesn't get hooked somewhere else.
It's all the way through his beak here. See?
Yep. Do you have wire cutters on your pliers?
I do on mine.
Just try to cut the hook off. If you can just keep it in his upper beak, he'll probably live.
I think I can get it. All right, it's only got this little piece left. Come on. God damn. Come on, waves.
All right, you're the man. Look at that. You should get an award, man. He should come back and kiss you. That's heroic.
Good job, Vince.